Doug Thompson, we're here in the shop today, and I thought we'd do a fun little project. I want to make a nice scribe. I thought that we would basically make a new scribe with a soft steel handle and then weld on this piece of Allen wrench, which is a hard material, to the end of it with the TIG welder for marking steel or aluminum or even wood. So here I'm at the edge of the anvil, the far side. I'm just going to roll it off the end, get that started. It likes to curl back on itself. I'm going to straighten that out a little bit right now. But that's a nice start. I want to close it, and I'm going to wrap it upon itself. There we go. I'll tap it, check it, maybe a little bit more. That looks pretty good. So I've now centered the eye. So we're at the point where we're going to weld the Allen wrench to the soft steel. This is pretty hard stuff. It's good quality old Allen wrench. And I want a really hard tip. So I'm going to, again, I'll cut this off and I'm going to weld it to the soft steel. I'll make a bevel cut to get as much surface area as I can. And then I'm going to use some 309L stainless steel to make the weld from the hard steel to the soft steel. But I'm going to be careful. I'll probably weld it a little bit, let it cool down, weld a little bit, let it cool down. I don't want the heat to run on to the end, and I'm not going to quench it in water. So I'm going to pull out a little bit of 309L stainless steel wire, and I'm going to make a weld right there. I've got 87 amps on my Syncrowave 250. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the point with this, but I'll be quenching each time, just so I don't heat the end up. I'm almost there. I'm going to go over to the finer belt just for the end. This belt is going a little bit slower. Putting very little pressure on it.